If you want to stop Facebook from tracking your off-platform activity, here's the exact method. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three lines on the top left. Now go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Then open the Meta Account Center. Scroll down to Your Information and Permissions and tap on it. Next, select Your Activity off Meta Technologies. Now tap on Manage Future Activity. Here, choose Disconnect Future Activity and tap Continue. You'll see a summary explaining what happens next. For example, you may be logged out of some apps and ads will be less personalized. Now, confirm by tapping Disconnect Future Activity again. After this, Facebook will stop receiving data from other apps and websites, although it may take some time to fully apply. And yeah, that's how you disable Facebook tracking and protect your privacy in just a few steps.